We've got breaking news just coming in. The Election Commission has issued a show-cause notice to Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao, finding him prima facie guilty of allegedly passing derogatory remarks against Hindus while addressing an election rally in Karimnagar last month. The poll panel has accused KCR of disturbing communal harmony and aggravating differences between communities as well. Aishwarya Paliwal is joining us live from Delhi. Aishwarya, if you could walk our viewers through what KCR had said while addressing the election rally, to which the poll panel has accused KCR of disturbing communal harmony.
Well, what we understand is that during the rally, KCR had made derogatory remarks, and those remarks were then brought to the notice of the Election Commission. Now, the Election Commission had written to the State Election Board, and they had said that they want the script of exactly what KCR said. That script was sent to the Election Commission, and on the basis of that, now the Election Commission has taken a very stern view. They said that level playing field was disturbed, and also saying that these kind of derogatory remarks, especially just before the elections, do not go down well. And now they have sent a notice to KCR. In the notice, they have said that he needs to explain himself as to what was the reason why he made those derogatory remarks against a particular religion. This is something which, in the eyes of the Election Commission, is something which violates the Model Code of Conduct, and it should not have taken place just few days before the elections. This is what the Election Commission has said in the notice that they have sent to KCR.
All right, so trouble brewing in right there for Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. We'll have to wait and watch to see what he replies to that show-cause notice which has been sent to him by the Election Commission. Aishwarya, thanks much for joining us with all the very latest.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.